Good day. I'm Sheena Sabijon, and I present to you our study entitled Total Quality Management System of Commercial Services Department of Metropolitan Cebu Water District, or MCWD. My colleagues are Janet Magno and Dr. Evangeline Evangelista, and we are from the Cebu Institute of Technology University, Philippines. This presentation is divided into 5 sections: Introduction, Methods, Results and Discussion, Conclusion, and Recommendations. Introduction. Total Quality Management, or popularly known as TQM, is a management approach of an organization centered on the quality that encourages a participative team effort of all its members. TQM upholds a holistic approach to organizational development. It advocates proactive involvement of all employees in improving the process, systems, products, services, and the culture at large in which employees work. TQM has 8 principles: customer focus, total employee commitment, process approach, integrated system, strategic and systematic approach, continual improvement, fact-based decision-making, and communication. Given that TQM has been a salient paradigm in business success, numerous studies have been conducted that prove its relevance. For instance, Choi and Ebook in 1997 revealed on their study that knowledge and process management practices improve the inventory management performance, innovation performance, social responsibility, market and financial performance, and overall customer satisfaction on plant performance. Reinhardt, on the other hand, revealed that adherence to TQM principles brought optimal servicing methods in U.S. airport baggage handling processes. Meanwhile, Sanad and his colleagues found out that employees with higher organizational commitment or involvement in decision making worked harder and have a higher productivity. Aside from enhancing business processes, one of the goals of TQM is also to improve the service quality of businesses. Service quality, as defined, is a customer's comparison of service expectations as it relates to a company's performance. Service quality plays an essential role in every business, especially in achieving important goals, including developing trust, improving satisfaction, and cultivating loyalty, which are recognized as vital factors in business competitiveness and success. In response to the importance of service quality, Parasuraman and his colleagues developed the well-known ServQual questionnaire. It is a widely accepted tool that measures service quality. According to the ServQual model, service quality is equal to perception minus expectation. ServQual is a multidimensional research instrument that quantifies service quality by gauging respondents' expectation of service and actual experience of service along with its 5 dimensions, which are reliability, assurance, tangibility, empathy, and responsiveness. So the purpose of this study is to evaluate the TQM practice and customer satisfaction levels of the Commercial Services Department of MCWD. The relevance of TQM principles gave us, the researchers, the idea that its study is potentially useful in improving the management practices within MCWD, which is one of the major water suppliers in Cebu. Methods. The researchers used random sampling, which means that every respondent has an equal chance of being chosen. and descriptive survey method in which the researchers used the questionnaires as a tool for data collection. 50 MCWD employees were surveyed using the modified TQM questionnaire that was gathered from various studies aiming to measure the level or success of TQM implementation in their chosen sectors. 46 of the 50 were rank and file, while 4 are managers. Employees answered the questionnaire on-site or within MCWD main office. Statistic mean was used to acquire the mean average of employees' responses. Meanwhile, 298 MCWD customers were surveyed also using the modified ServCall questionnaire as advanced by Parasuraman and his colleagues. 132 answered it online, while 166 answered it on-site in a span of 1 month. Statistic mean was also used, and t-test statistic was used to test if there are significant differences between the expected service quality and the experienced service quality of customers. Results and discussion. Results of our study revealed a gap in all MCWD TQM dimensions, specifically on their communication processes or the information exchange processes of the company. Employees also perceived the following as problems in the implementation of TQM principles. These are increase in the number of complaints on the accuracy of water meter reading, late delivery of monthly water bill, consumers with delinquent accounts are not properly informed, reconnection of water services is not acted on time, and so on. Results of the ServQual survey also exposed customers' dissatisfaction with the majority of the services rendered by MCWD. This is very specific on their personal services, which belongs to the empathy dimension of service quality. However, despite the dissatisfaction, it was revealed that customers are also satisfied with 2 indicators, which are the knowledge of employees when answering questions and their politeness towards customers. They are the only 2 indicators which scored positive. Meanwhile, the t-test statistic revealed that there is also a significant difference between the expected service quality and the experienced service quality of MCWD customers. This indicates that the deficiency is large enough that MCWD fails to meet the customer expectations in terms of service quality. Moreover, customers' responses revealed a gap regarding the major service categories of MCWD, which are the accuracy of meter reading, delivery of water bills, efficiency of conducting the disconnection and reconnection of water services, and the proficiency in handling customer complaints. Overall, the findings of this study imply that there is a deficiency in MCWD's implementation of the TQM practices and customer services. Conclusion. Now, despite the revealed deficiencies in MCWD's processes, the findings of this research also demonstrates various opportunities for CSD to improve its processes. As such, if the TQM principles are further enhanced in MCWD, they will bring added value to the company in terms of process efficiency, employee and customer satisfaction, and increased profitability. It is also beneficial to improve communication processes between various units in MCWD as it generates positivity both for the customer and company. The deficiencies or gaps customers have expressed will also pave way for MCWD to strive better in delivering their services to customers. And just as maintained by Parasuraman and his colleagues, the developer of the ServQual model, the customers exceeding expectations of the services are normal and should not be adversely taken, as this signifies that there is always a room for improvement. Finally, with the offered results of our study, we are optimistic that the specific recommendations presented to MCWD management will permit transformation and innovation to their existing processes and will eventually provide solutions to the current challenges faced by MCWD. Lastly, for the recommendations, the specific outputs of this study will be presented to the management of MCWD for implementation. Likewise, the results are also applicable to other servicing sectors whose ultimate goal is to enhance their TQM practices. Generally, we, the researchers, believe that the findings of this study will serve as a stepping stone that will facilitate improvement in the processes of MCWD along with other similar sectors. Thus, the findings will help various organizations create dynamic systems that are easily adaptable to the constantly changing demands of the industry, thereby enhancing their processes, boosting profits, and making their customers more satisfied. And that is all for our study on total quality management of MCWD in Cebu. Thank you for your time and have a great day.